time already?
Ice cream man! I want a cone and a sundae and a split and a root beer float with extra bananas.
You'll get nothing and like it. I mean, sorry, we're closed.
Hey, where'd you... Ice cream man, where are you?
No habla idiota.
You come out of there!
What's up, Mark?
I'm just trying to get the ice cream man out of this car.
How's that working out for you?
Well, he won't come out, and I can't. Wait a second! The ice cream man!
Don't worry, Mark. I'll get you out of there. You know, I don't think penguins can fly.
They can! Better than nothing.